Hello friends, today in this video we will understand the concept of product rule. Now, whenever a question is given in the formation of fx into gx, meaning there would be two functions. Let's say we have two functions as x into e to the power x. So we will apply product rule over here. Also, if we have a function like 2x into 1 plus x, so this is another function, this is another function. So here also we will apply the product rule. So let's do the first question, x times e to the power x. So this is in the form of fx times gx. So when we go for product rule to solve this type of problem, we will differentiate first fx, that is f dash of x, multiplication of gx plus fx times g dash of x, meaning first we will differentiate function. Let's say this is first function, this is second function. So we will differentiate first function and we will keep the second function as it is. First function differentiation, then second function plus first function, then second function differentiation. Now let's go further. So x into e to the power x, when we will differentiate this, we will get differentiation of x as 1 times e to the power x, plus now we will keep x as it is and we will differentiate e to the power x. E to the power x will be e to the power x times 1. Why? Because we will differentiate x also. So the differentiation of x will give you 1. So we will get e to the power x plus x times e to the power x, e to the power x 1 plus x. This is our final solution. Now another question, if you will take, we will do 2x 1 plus x. In this case, what we will do, this is our first function and this is our second function. So we will apply the same thing, differentiation of first, keeping the second as it is, then plus keeping the first and differentiating the second. So differentiation of 2x will give us 2, let's say 2, and keeping the second as it is, plus keeping the first as it is and differentiating the second. So differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of x is 1. So we will get 2 1 plus x plus 2x times 1, which is 2 plus 2x plus 2x, 2 plus 4x, and that is your final answer. Hope you would have understood the concept of product rule easily. Keep following our videos. Thank you very much.